Thank you, doctor, for watching this video email we sent you, and I want to tell you that I'd like to invite you, do it one more time. Thank you for watching this video email. I'm inviting you to come and spend 2 hours with me so I can show you how to double your practice. My name is Dr. David Singer, and back in 1981, over a period of 9 months, I built the largest practice in the world by bringing into my office over 50 new patients per week. Now, the main way that I did it was by getting out in my community and doing talks everywhere you could imagine. Now, I did over 100 talks and never got a new patient until I figured out the exact system to get the audience to come to my clinic, which I would like to teach you and show you how to do. I'm also going to show you how to get into numerous locations you could never have thought of, never dreamed of, that would get you the opportunity to speak on a regular basis in your community. If you have an interest in bringing in high quality, people are willing to pay for your services, type of new patients, then don't miss this 2-hour training on how to become an effective public speaker in your community. I'll tell you, you don't want to miss it. I limit it to only 10 people, so you and I can talk back and forth, get all your questions answered, and show you how to do this. I just received the Lifetime Achievement Award from our profession for all I've done to help our profession, and now I'd like to have you achieve your lifetime dreams in practice.